Hello guys, today I am going to teach you a way to create an eye blinking animation like this one. For this tutorial I am going to use two softwares, Photoshop and After Effects. Let's start with the Photoshop step. Basically, you can do it with anything you want, a drawing, a picture, but what you need is a first layer or group with a face and opened eyes, like this one. Then add two layers on top, one with the left eyelid and another with the right one. You want to make it closed? You will understand later. Now, you need to add two layers, which will be the eyelid masks. That is the part that will hide them when they're opened. Make sure each mask is on top of the corresponding eyelid. Now we're done with the Photoshop part. Let's continue on the After Effects editing. Once you're in After Effects, import the Photoshop file as composition with the editable layers. Then go into your eyelid composition and go to the bottom left side. Make the two eyelid layers on alpha inverted mate with a mask layer just above, so you can hide it. Then go into Effect and look for the Mesh Warp effect. Add it on one eyelid layer, then go to Effect Control Panel and set rows and columns to 2. Make the same effect to the other eyelid. You can copy and paste. Then go to the Mesh Warp effect control on the layer timeline and to Distortion Mesh. Now let's create automation. Set a first point with the initial position and another in a quarter of a second distance. Then move the timeline mark in a little second distance. Now move the grid points so that the eyelid is open. It will make a third point. Copy that point and paste it before the first initial point. When it's done, do the exact same thing for the other eyelid. Notice that you want both to blink at the same time, so make sure that the distortion mesh points are aligned on top of another. Now you can check the result, and if you're good with it, just render it. Thanks for watching.